Hello dear student, my name is Manish Kumar Soni and today we are going to discuss a very important chapter and the chapter name is trigonometry. So let's start our discussion. Here we can use this definition that a trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that provide relation between the sides and angle of a triangle. Trigonometry is derived from a Greek word and it is divided in three portions to define where tri means three, gon means sides and metron means measure. So it is clear that we have to study the relation between the sides and the angle of triangle in this topic, and the topic name is trigonometry. Now I am going to draw a right angle triangle ABC, and A, B and C, where angle B is equal to 90 degree. So it is a right angle triangle where angle B is 90 degree. Let angle C is equal to theta. So the angle C is equal to theta. So the side opposite to theta is considered as the perpendicular of the triangle. Is considered as the perpendicular of the triangle. So the side opposite to angle theta is considered as the perpendicular of the triangle, and the side in front of 90 degrees is considered as hypotenuse of the triangle, and the remaining side is the base of the triangle. So it is clear that the largest side in the triangle is hypotenuse and other two remaining side in right angle triangle is perpendicular in the base. So according to Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, that means AC square is equal to perpendicular square AB square plus BC square. So it is clear that if a angle of a triangle is 90 degree, then it is called a right angle triangle, and if it is a right angle triangle, then we can apply Pythagoras theorem. According to this theorem, the hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Now we have to study about trigonometry ratio. So there are 6 trigonometry ratio we have to study here, and they are sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. I'm going to draw a right angle triangle ABC, where angle B is equal to 90 degree, and let the angle C is equal to theta. Let angle C is equal to theta, and ABC is a right angle triangle. A right angle triangle. So ABC is a right angle triangle. Okay, so here you can easily say that the side in front of 90 degree is hypotenuse, and the side opposite to theta is perpendicular, and the side remaining side is the base. Okay, so now we have to define the terms sin theta, cos theta and tan theta, and now I am going to calculate the value of sin theta by this triangle, and the sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and side perpendicular in this triangle is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So sin theta is equal to AB upon AC. Is that clear? And the other side and the other trigonometry ratio we have to calculate here is cos theta, and the cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, and in this triangle the base is BC and hypotenuse is AC. Clear? And the remaining trigonometry ratio is tan theta, and the tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, and tan theta is equal to perpendicular, which is sides AB, and base is BC. So the tan theta is equal to AB upon BC. Is that clear? So we have already calculated the 3 trigonometry ratio, and now we have to calculate the 3 remaining trigonometry ratio, and you can easily say that the remaining 3 trigonometry ratio are cosec theta and sec theta and cot theta. So it is clear that the sin theta is reciprocal of cosec theta, or cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta. So it is clear that the cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta, and sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta, and cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. Is that clear? So I am going to calculate this value, and the cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular, because it is inverse of sine theta. So sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So cosec theta will be, so the cosec theta will be hypotenuse upon perpendicular. In this triangle, you can clearly see that the hypotenuse is side AC and perpendicular is side AB. Now I am going to calculate the value of sec theta, and sec theta is inverse of cos theta. So cos theta, so the sec theta will be hypotenuse upon base. Is that clear? And the side hypotenuse is in this triangle is AC, while the base is BC. So sec theta is equal to AC upon BC. And the remaining trigonometry factor we have to calculate is cot theta, and the cot theta is equal to and cot theta is inverse of tan theta, so it is equal to base upon perpendicular. So it is equal to base upon perpendicular, and the value of base is BC, while the perpendicular is AB. So cot theta is equal to BC upon AB. So there are 6 trigonometry ratio, which is very important to define the relation between sides and angle of a triangle. And the 6 trigonometry ratio are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta respectively. Thank you so much to attend this session. I hope this session will be very helpful to you, and in the next lecture we are going to discuss the remaining portion of this chapter. Thank you so much.